Greetings everyone. Today we will learn how to restore a SQL Server database backup. You must have a valid backup of the database you want to restore. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform restore operations. Launch SQL Server Management Studio. After login, go to the Object Explorer. Right-click on the databases and choose Restore Database. Select General from the left panel. Under the Source section, select Device. Browse and select the database backup file. Under Destination, type the database name. Or restore the backup to the already created database. You can also restore to a specific point in time. Ensure the backup set is selected. Then, verify backup media. Leave the file page settings unchanged. Click the Options page and select the desired Restore option. Select Recovery State. Review the remaining settings. Finally, click OK. Upon successful backup restore, a message will be displayed. Verify the restored database backup.